Excuse me, this is a private shower.
Well, close the door then.
If only you'd given me one.
It's really awkward.
Yeah, because I need both hands to shampoo my hair, so I have to put the shower head on its holder and sit on the toilet, which it just seems very counterintuitive when you're trying to have a shower and get clean.
Okay.
To sit on the toilet. So I'm just perched on the very edge so that I don't have to touch it too much. Okay, so here I am shampooing my hair. So we're doing water saving techniques so you don't leave the water running even though we're hooked up to water. Alright, I'm gonna have to stand up to do this, I think.
Go for it.
Crouch under it, actually. Okay.
You can hold it.
I know, but I need both hands to... No!
There we go. See? That's
Alright,
fucking teamwork.
built-in shower holder.
That's right. Made in Australia. Woo!
This is what happens when you wash your hair, something you're not as familiar with.
Oh, okay, yeah, thanks.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
But yeah, now it's conditioner time. See, there's a whole process with girls' showers, and
Oh, really?
I don't think you understand or
Oh,
appreciate.
I don't understand or appreciate it.
Yeah, I've got to let the conditioner sit for, so much time, and I'm gonna try to shave my legs in here.
Ooh. Sexy.
We'll see. This might be like a 30-minute shower, even though I only use 2 gallons of water.
Well, that's good. Still too much water. No. when we're boondocking, that'll be too much water.
That's as, I think, short as you're gonna get it.
Okay.
So, appreciate that much. The A-frame pop-up camper, it obviously gives you a lot more headroom in the middle, and the shower benefits a little bit from it.
Oh.
Just forehead to the window there. And the windows are concave, so it gives you a little bit more as well.
Or I can sit down like so.
So now Glenn's seated on top of the toilet, which is kind of strange. It's called a wet toilet.
A wet room.
Wet room, I'm sorry, a wet room. Because it's everything combined in one.
So I wet myself.
Nah, it's not even 3 feet by 3 feet, maybe.
After a full day of, doing handyman stuff, like doing the solar and the new inverter, yeah, there's nothing better than having a nice cold shower in your own A-frame. Choose your own adventure, time to hit the road.